Every guy who steps in the gym want bigger arms, and getting your arms big is cool and all, but they will look their best only when they have veins on it. And everyone has them, but only few people are able to show them. And I am lucky enough to find the way to do so. I have a lot of visible veins popping out of my arms. So today I'll be telling you guys 4 things which you need to do right now in order to get more vascular. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. Hey guys, my name is Apoor Agrawal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos every single week which you don't want to miss out. So the first thing is fat. Your arms are a buildup of bones, muscles, veins, fat and skin, in that order. So obviously if you want more veins, you have to remove that extra layer of fat. Most people think that you need to be in a really low body fat percentage in order to get veins. But I am not shredded. I do not belong to the 8 to 10% body fat range. Yet I have vascular arms. All you need to do is to be less than 18% body fat percentage. Have to be somewhat lean, which is quite achievable for every guy. Less than 18% body fat percentage should be a goal for every man. After that, it depends upon your own personal goal. Whether you want to be completely shredded, you want to be in the 8 to 10% body fat percentage range, but at least be healthy, and that will happen only when you have lost that extra layer of fat. Now the second thing will be training your arms. When you train and eat with a goal of building muscle, your body tries to adapt to it by making your blood vessels bigger. The more muscles you have, the more blood will flow through your veins, thus making them bigger as time passes by. You should do exercises like bicep curls, dumbbell curls, hammer curls in the gym, which targets your biceps and forearms. Do 4 sets of 10 reps on your arm day or pull day, depending upon the workout split you follow. It's really important to train your arms properly by doing the best exercises if you want them to get more vascular. Now the third thing will be your diet. Like I said in the first tip, that you need to reduce your body fat percentage to make those veins pop out, and that will happen only when you are eating in a caloric deficit and your diet is on point. Check out one of my diet related videos if you are struggling to create your own diet. If you have any doubt, just DM me on Instagram. Junk food is really high on calories, so if you are someone who goes out consistently, it will be really tough for you to lose weight. So eat low caloric food with high protein, which will help you to build more muscles. Another major thing will be water. It will improve the circulation of blood in your veins, so make sure that you are hydrated. Now the fourth thing will be cardio. You can speed up the fat loss process by adding some cardio into your daily routine. Running, cycling, hiking, whatever you enjoy, man. Doing cardio will help you to reduce body fat fast, which in turn will lead to more veins. Also, if you really want to see veins, you can also shave up your arm. I don't really do it because I don't have much hair on my arms. If you are really hairy, you can do it. There's nothing wrong in it. So yeah, these were the 4 things which you can do in order to become more vascular. At the end of the day, a lot of it also depends upon your genetics, like the shape of your veins, how deep down it is. But either you can bitch about it or you can work on it. Do everything which is possible. Get lean, put on some muscles, eat healthy, and there's no way you will not become more vascular. If you want to learn more about workout routines, diets, make sure to check out my other videos. I'll also put some of them in the description box below. I've got tons of videos on best exercises for you, supplements, diets, best foods. So yeah, that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you on my